Right, so I changed the air filter in our Santa Fe Sport. Oops, I can't get this one-handed deal thing going. And it's behind the glove box. This is the air filter, and this is how it sort of was situated. And this is a mouse nest, or some sort of a rodent nest that was on top of the air filter in the vehicle. So I pulled it out, and this nest sort of fell apart. And yep, so the underside is like cooked too. So this is the person who had this before me, so it wasn't me, but still, like, and it's like in here is all little bits of, dirt and fibers, and this is like looks like little bits of insulation that the rodent made. Yeah, so that's this is a reminder to change your cabin air filter on a regular basis, because you never know what you're going to find in there.